Alright guys, this is just a quick teaser video. I've just made my UDR 8S. Jesus, it bloody goes, guys. And also we had a LiPo fire. So have a quick look at these clips. I'm going to edit the proper video and put it up as soon as I can. Bye bye, Traxxas ESC. These are 4S and one of these batteries is actually dead. So we're not going to be able to do a proper test. One cell is completely and utterly dead, look. 0.3 volts. All the other cells, yeah, they've overcharged actually. But we'll get it in there and we'll see if something happens. Oh, that LiPo looks puffed. That's about to pop. Alright, so I hope you liked this little preview video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified. That's got to be one of the first 8S ones in the world. Alright guys, see you soon.